Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your MetaMask private key. First, open your MetaMask extension in your web browser. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to retrieve the private key. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial to follow each step carefully to ensure the security of your digital assets. Remember, your private key is the ultimate access to your funds. Once MetaMask is open, locate the 3 vertical dots next to your account name at the top right of the extension window. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll need to select the option labeled Account Details. This will open a new pop-up window, bringing you one step closer to accessing your private key. In the Account Details window, you'll see an option that says Export Private Key. Click on this button. For security, MetaMask will prompt you to enter your password. Carefully type in your MetaMask password and click Confirm. After successful confirmation, your private key will be revealed on the screen. This is a critical moment, so proceed with caution. Once your private key is displayed, copy it immediately. It's vital to store this key in a highly secure, offline location, like a hardware wallet or a written note kept in a safe. Never store it on your computer's clipboard for long or in easily accessible digital files. Remember, anyone with this key has full control over your funds, so treat it with the utmost care.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.